8th grade, this is Ms. Harkness, and this video is to go along with lesson 417. Up until this point, we have been using an XY chart to find ordered pairs for graphing a linear equation. After this video, if you watch lesson 18, you'll see a much faster way to graph these, but for this, we're going to show you again how to use an ordered pair. So I'm just going to go with 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times 1 minus 1. 3 times 2 minus 1, and 3 times 3 minus 1. So I'm using my equation up here, and instead of writing x, I'm writing the value that I have here on my left side. So 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. And then 3 times 3 is 9, minus 1 is 8. Now you can see a pattern here. We've added 3 each time. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3. So in theory, we can do 8, 9, 10, 11. We can do a 4 and an 11 because 3 times 4 is 12 minus 1 gives me that 11, but it's not necessary. Okay, we have enough information at this point that we can go back through and graph this equation. So since I freehanded this coordinate plane, it's not going to be perfectly placed, but that's all right. It can still accomplish what I need to do. So my first ordered pair is over 1 up 2. My second ordered pair is over 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you'll see if I continue to go up, I don't have room without growing my y-axis. So let's see what would happen if I put a 0 into my function. So 0 into my equation. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 take away 1 is -1. So I can come to my coordinate grid and put a third point right there. And then I could also continue on in the negative direction. But when I draw my line, there I am. I'm done. I've graphed this equation. The line joining these 2 points has a slope. M is the name of my lesson. Well, let's see what our slope actually is. So we're just going to look between 2 points, go 1, 2, 3. It rises 3, runs 1. My slope is 3. Let's prove it algebraically, though. Let's come and use our slope formula. So I've written in my slope formula, and now let's substitute values in. How about we use these 2 sets of ordered pairs here? So y2 would be 5. y1. So 5 minus 2 over 2 minus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So there again we have it, my slope equaling 3. So whether I decide to count it out, which I did here with my highlighter, or I decide to solve it algebraically, which I did here in pink, I get the same answer either way, which is 3. And that's all.